What's he doing?
And he can't have me.
He could hurt you?
He can't have me.
You could hurt her, she said.
Oh, I don't want to hurt her.
He doesn't want to hurt you, Maya. He loves you.
I love you.
Oh.
He says we watch TV.
Does he love Maya? Does Chloe love Maya?
Huh? Of course I do. Chloe! William! You can't have me.
Yes?
No.
What?
You need to eat. You need to eat. You need to eat, William.
That's right, Maya. You're adorable.
William!
The food is...
William! I told you why you had to eat.
What did he say, Maya? Is he going to eat? Well,
go eat?
he's crazy, that kid. He's crazy.
It's
He's
William.
running away.
He's crazy, Liam.
He's running away.
He's good. And then he's crazy.
He's crazy boy. Here comes crazy boy.
Maya, do you like your pizza? I do.
Does Liam want to eat pizza?
William! William! William!
Liam,
Yes.
your cousin's talking to you.
Yes.
You need to eat. You need to eat some pizza. William,
Hold on.
Just answer her, Liam.
you need some pizza.
Oh, here he goes. There he goes again. He's crazy, Maya.
We
He's
can't
running.
keep track of him.
I need to tell me you to eat. William, hey. You need to eat.
You know you're going to have to eat for this poor little girl.
You need to eat. You need to eat.
Just answer her.
Okay, fine.
Okay, thank you, Maya. You got Liam to eat. Okay? Good job, Maya. I'm gonna go make him some dinner, okay?
Mhm.
Is that a good idea?
Mhm.
Okay.